Welcome back to the Our Car Update channel. Today, we're diving into something incredibly exciting of the all-new 2026 Honda S2000, an iconic nameplate making a comeback after years of anticipation. Let's take a closer look at what this legendary Roadster has to offer, starting with the exterior and working our way inside. First off, the design. Honda has completely modernized the S2000 while still keeping that unmistakable Roadster vibe. It's got that classic long hood, short rear deck, and of course, the low slung, wide stance that makes it look aggressive but balanced at the same time. The front features sleek LED headlights, and the aggressive grille gets a sharp new design, enhancing the car's bold presence. You'll notice the muscular fenders are those wide wheel arches that just scream performance. And then, there's the rear. The design is clean, but the taillights get a modern update, making them sharp and angular, perfectly complementing the car's overall shape. Moving to the wheels, so there's a set of lightweight forged alloys, available in various finishes, but you'll especially love the performance tires wrapped around them. They look ready to tackle any road or track, providing that grip that the S2000 was always known for. The overall body lines are smooth, sculpted, and aerodynamic, giving this Roadster that perfect mix of style and function. Now, let's hop inside. Honda's designers have gone all out with the interior, making it both driver-focused and sleek. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by a blend of premium materials and a layout that's all about performance. The first thing you notice is the low-slung bucket seat that hugs you in place, perfect for spirited driving. The seats themselves are upholstered in a combination of leather and Alcantara, ensuring a mix of comfort and grip. And speaking of comfort, the interior has a modern touch with heated and ventilated options. As for the dashboard, Honda's given it a high-tech upgrade, but it's still super clean and simple. You get a fully digital instrument cluster that's highly customizable, with everything you need right in front of you. In the center, there's a large touchscreen infotainment system that's easy to navigate, plus Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The layout is intuitive, so you're never distracted from the road. The steering wheel feels fantastic in your hands. It's wrapped in leather, with a perfect thickness that gives you just the right amount of feedback. Plus, the button placement is spot on, giving you full control without taking your hands off the wheel. Behind it, you'll find paddle shifters, giving you that extra level of engagement when you're cruising or pushing the car to its limits. Space inside the cabin, while being a two-seater, is surprisingly usable. The S2000 is still a compact car, but Honda's done a great job maximizing the interior layout, so you've got decent legroom and the right amount of headspace. The trunk space, of course, isn't huge, but it's practical enough for a weekend getaway or a couple of bags. Honda has also equipped the S2000 with the latest safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a host of airbags throughout the cabin to keep you safe in any situation. It's not just about performance, but also about giving drivers peace of mind while they push the car to its limits. And of course, under the hood, this S2000 is packing a punch. Honda's engineers have dropped in a turbocharged inline-4 engine that puts out impressive power numbers. While we're still awaiting full specs, early signs are showing that this car is not just a tribute to the past, it's built for the future. You'll also find a 6-speed manual transmission, true to the spirit of the S2000. On the road, the 2026 S2000 is an absolute blast. The handling is sharp and precise, with a well-tuned suspension that strikes the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're carving through corners or hitting the open highway, The driving experience is incredibly rewarding. The steering is responsive, and the car feels incredibly nimble, thanks to the lightweight design. Overall, the 2026 Honda S2000 is everything fans hoped for and more. It's a stunning combination of modern technology, performance, and that classic S2000 magic. Whether you're a long-time fan of the Roadster or just discovering it now, this car is sure to impress. That wraps up our review for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.